Now I'm going to tell about Google Documents. Google Documents and their uses. So it's a mobile app available in Play Store. Take your phone, go to Play Store. Play Store we use to install the apps. So here you can search for a app Google Docs, DOCS. So you can open, if you have installed you can open, or else you have to install and open. Install the app and open the app. Your existing apps, it is automatically linked to your email ID, so that whenever you want it will be available in your email ID. This is the available documents. If you want to create new, click plus icon in the create document, new document. Here the cursor will come. So here one more advantage you have to learn, that is voice typing. So take the keyboard, what type of keyboard you want and what language you want. Click on the speak it icon. Speak, voice typing. Bangalore. What do you want? So speak icon, it is available in the keyboard. So I'll change the language to Kannada. Kannada ನೀವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If you have any doubts, you just reply to us, we will help you out. Arogya Setu. Speaking now. ವಿಮಾನ ರೈಲು ಸಂಚಾರ ಆರಂಭದ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ in Word, Google Word document, that is Google Documents, we have some more option called share and export. We can share, we can link, we can copy, we can send copy, we can save as, we can print, and we can take a copy. So share and export, we have many options. So if you want to send a copy, how do we want to send a copy? Word, PDF, open document. So other options. So save as options. So other options as like MS Word. We were using Microsoft Word like that. There are many options are available in Google Documents also. I'm going to introduce some more and one more important app, that is called Google Lens. One more app which is very very important. I'm going to tell you about Google Lens. Google Lens, it is very easy to copy from one document to another document, from hard copy to soft copy. See, open Google Lens, select text option, tap to select text. So whichever documents you want to copy, see hard copy from to soft copy. So open and install Google Lens, take text copy, scan which you want to take a copy. See here I am taking a newspaper and copying the text. So here copy text, select all, copy text, and open Google Docs. From Google Lens to Google Docs, Google Lens to scan and copy, So copy it to the Google Docs and paste it here. See, whatever it was there in the newspaper, I copied to Google Docs. Google Lens ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೋದು. Now I am coming to the Google Lens again. So I am taking one more document. Printout is there here. So I am taking a text here. Select text, tap on text, select all, copy text. Open Google Lens, text, select all, copy text, show the document whichever you want to take a copy and paste it here. See the printout, text, copy it to Google Docs. So one more thing I am going to tell you in the Google Lens. See, something whichever there is a product, you want to copy the text from the product text to the Google Docs. I am coming to the Google Lens. Here there is a product. In this there is instructions. So I am going to copy the instructions. See, text, select all, copy text. That's it. Come to the Google Docs and you can write, press and keep, so you can paste it here. So small text to the bigger text, everything we can copy from one hard copy to the soft copy. So now you have to keep it in mind that Google Docs and Google Lens are very useful to take or to type as early as possible. So voice typing you can use in the Google Docs, and you can scan and copy from the Google Lens. So Google Docs is very much useful. Meanwhile, I have already told you about the Google Drive. You want to know some more options, you reply me or you message me. We have the options to show you everything and easy. So text format options are available here. Document name you can change it here. Okay, this is what you want. More options.